Hello, children. So, welcome back once again to our English class. I hope all of you are doing well. So, today we are going to start one new chapter, that is gender. So, what is a gender? So, gender is a state of being male or female. Okay, so basically, genders are of four kinds: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Masculine genders are those genders which denote males. Feminine genders denotes female. Common genders denotes both male and female. And neuter gender denotes non-living things. Okay. So for forming the feminine gender, okay, we follow some rules. Let us see the first rule by using a different word. Now, masculine gender, as I told you, it denotes to the male. So the first one is father. So the feminine gender will be mother. Feminine gender will be mother. Okay. Now boy, girl, sir, madam, monk, nun. Now can you tell me, children, who is a monk? Monk is a religious person, okay, who lives a simple life, okay, and who preach, okay. So the feminine gender of monk is nun. Fox, vixen. So the female fox is known as vixen. Okay. Groom, bride. Now I hope some of you knows the meaning groom and bride, but okay, those who don't know, I'm telling you, groom is a male, okay, who is about to get married, and bride is a girl or a woman who is going to get married. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now come to the next one. By adding the suffix ESS to the masculine form. Now this one is a different rule. Lion, the feminine gender is lioness. See, we have added the suffix ESS after lion, after the word lion. Waiter, waitress. Priest, priestess. I know all of you know what is a priest. Okay, he's a religious person. Okay. Then murderer, murderess, mayor, mayoress, host, hostess, actor, actress. Okay. Now come to the next one. By substituting a feminine word for a masculine in compound words. Now I hope all of you know, can remember what is a compound word. Compound word means two joining of two different words and making a new one. Okay. We read it in nouns, the compound nouns. I hope you can remember. Okay. So, the masculine gender is peacock. Now, pea is something different and cock is something different. When we are joining these two words, we are getting peacock. So, what will be the feminine gender? Peahen. Grandfather, grandmother. Landlord, landlady. Stepfather, stepmother. Milkman, milkmaid. Okay, I hope all of you are getting it. Now come to the fourth one. Some words have a slightly different form than those mentioned earlier for their feminine genders. Now these are some words which are different from the above mentioned rule. Okay, rules. Okay, that means let's see. Okay, masculine is hero, feminine is heroine. Now, hero is not a compound word. Okay, it is not adding any ESS. And another thing, the first rule, it is not using a different word for forming its feminine gender. So it is slightly different, right? Now come to the next one. Sultan, sultana. Don, donna. So these are some slight different forms. Okay. Now come to the common gender. As I told you, common gender means refer either male or female. So doctor. So as I told you in nouns also, common nouns are those nouns where it is using a general name, okay, generalized name. So here doctor, pupil, parent, lawyer, painter, teacher, tutor, student, etc. These are neither male, or it can be either male or female. Okay. Okay, now come, I hope it is clear. So come to the neuter gender. refers to non-living things. So now neuter gender can be any non-living things like door, then curtains, then bucket, bus, desk, mobile, computer, anything. It can be any non-living things. Okay, it do not have any male gender or female gender. Is that clear? So that's all for today, children. I hope you all enjoyed learning new things. So this one is a very easy chapter, right? So what you will be doing, go through the examples of these videos, whichever I give here, as well as the book examples, okay? And meeting you again in our next class. Till that time, go through the text, go through the examples, learn it properly, and take care of yourself and your family members also. Thank you.